Hey, what is up my fans? It is me, James, and you're here with another video, and look at what I found. I found this flip phone. This flip phone was like mine. I had this like back in like 2011. It's an old flip phone I had. Like right now it's broken. Obviously it's broken because like 2011. It's obviously gonna be broken. But I used to love this. Like, I was like, oh my god. I was like, I'm never gonna break you. But until, like, I got the, iPhone 7. And sometimes with my vlogging camera. This is what I usually do to my flip phone. This is usually what I do to my flip phone. And now, who does that? I'm not gonna do that to my iPhone. Oh, my iPhone's over there. But, like, I'm never gonna do that to my phone. I'm not gonna be, like, doing this. Bro, look at the screen. I mean, like, the screen is, like, kind of, like, scratched up. But, yeah, I just want to show you guys. That's it, guys. I know this is, like, a minute video. So, guys, I will see you later in the next video. Bye.